Cultural Contest 2025. Celebrate your roots, win big on Kileri Sea Show. Nuwa Media is excited to announce a unique competition that will test your knowledge and creativity about Yoruba cultural heritage. We invite participants aged 12 to 18 to showcase their skills in preserving and promoting Yoruba traditions. What to do? Recite in Yoruba, a family or Orisha praise poetry. Describe in Yoruba a Yoruba local vocation or profession you're familiar with. Explain in Yoruba a Yoruba cultural event in your town, highlighting its significance. How to participate? Create a video showcasing your entries dressed in traditional Yoruba attire. Post the video on your timeline on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and Thread. Tag at Nuwa Media Official and at Arodu Black Dye. Include the competition hashtag #ИDÍJE Nuwa 2025. Encourage friends to follow, like, and share Nuwa Media's content as well as vote for you. Competition details, eligibility. Participants must be Yoruba aged 12 to 18. Entry or voting open from now to September 30, 2025. Winner. The participant with the highest votes will be declared on Nuwa Media's social media handles on 4th October 2025 and will win the special gift from Onile Global Services and Hope Dental Clinic. Showcase your Yoruba heritage and win exciting prizes courtesy Onile Global Services and Hope Dental Clinic. Follow Nuwa Media on all platforms and get ready to share your cultural pride with the world. Let's celebrate our rich cultural heritage together.
Nuwa Media.